Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to be going over what to do if you encounter the multiplayer pack installation suspended error code. And to get started, the first thing you can do is open up the game, and you're going to head over to the error itself and you're going to click on it. First thing you're going to do is make sure that all the multiplayer packs are installed. So multiplayer pack 2, the multiplayer special ops compatibility pack, just make sure they're all installed. And if you do not see the other ones, what you can do is head over to home. You're going to click the options button on your controller. You're going to go to manage game content. And you're going to make sure all of the, so you can also see multiplayer pack 3 here. You can see multiplayer pack 2. You can see multiplayer and special ops pack. And you're just going to download all of the multiplayer packs. Once you have that done, you can restart your PS5. You can wait a minute or two, open it back up, and then your game should be now working. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.